Alright, you guys, thanks for coming to my channel. We're going to get into this video, okay? First thing you want to do is wash your hands. You want to make sure that your hands are clean anytime you are doing any type of skincare regimen or applying products to your face with your hands. You want to make sure that you are washing your hands for a minimum of 30 seconds, okay? And make sure you're using that antibacterial soap. So after we get that done, we're going to get into our first step. Our first step here is going to be cleansing the face. We're going to be using the Dr. Bronners Pure Castile soap with the and Peppermint, which is a fan fave. I typically only use this in the evening time as my nighttime skincare routine, and then I use the baby unscented during the mornings. So we have our little face cleanser there, as you can see, and I just wet my face with warm to hot water just to open up those pores. And then we're going to actually go in and cleanse the face. So if you're anything like me, if I really need to see a lather to make sure that the soap is doing what it needs to do. If I don't see a lather, I feel like it's just getting really clean. So here you can see it's barely any type of lather, and I'm not having it, okay? So I'm going to add a little bit more. And you see I give a look to the camera because I was just like, what the heck? And there we go, and it's much better. Okay, we get a little nice little lather going on, and then we're just going to go in circular motions. Now I am a very thorough person, so I like to also wash the neck, the entire neck, and face here too. So we're just going to go in with the nose area, the entire face. Okay. This point, I like to, after I use my little facial cleanser pad, I am going in with the hands just to kind of give my skin a good little massage as I'm cleansing it, and just kind of make sure I get in those crevices that my facial cleansing pad couldn't really like get to. So now after we got into our rinse, we then rinsed everything off, and I like to rinse with a cool temp water just to make sure we kind of close up those pores. Not ice cold, but just something a little bit cooler. And now we're going to get into our step 2, and that is exfoliation. Ooh. So we are going to be exfoliating with the charcoal black sugar scrub by Freeman. And we are going to exfoliate the skin, honey. This is something that is key. I am going to try to use this at least every day, if not maybe 5 times a day. I'm sorry. Ooh, not 5 times a day, 5 times a week. Jesus. And really make sure we get rid of those dead skin cells. And I did a lot of research, and it says that exfoliation is the key to removing those acne scars, because those acne scars have layers of new skin built on top. So you need to exfoliate them to get rid of the acne scars. So that's something I'm trying to do. And with this mask, after the first time I used it, I saw a difference, and I saw my acne scars be lighter. So I think I'm going to continue to use this. And this could be used as, this is a dual action mask, so it could be used as a exfoliator and a mask. And it says to leave it on here for 3 to 5 minutes. So I just scrubbed for about the entire time, and saw me do a little dance there. And now we rinse that off. Got everything off from there, and we are going to just I'm just showing you guys a kind of like immediate after results of using the mask, and so you can kind of see my little problem areas. My pores look a little bit smaller, and it's very subtle differences. I don't know if it would be able to capture it on camera, but There are some things that I've noticed that's different after immediate use, and that's what I like to see. We love to see it, okay? So we're just gonna do a pat dry here again. Make sure the skin is nice and dry before we get into our next step. So this is where things get a little interesting because I completely messed up. I don't know what I was thinking. It was nighttime. I think I was just tired, but you'll see. I was really zoomed in. I don't know why, but so you see me going for the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Super Glow Serum. This is a vitamin C serum that I absolutely love, but this says step 4. So typically what you would do is, or what I like to do is tone, but we're just going to go ahead and go with it, okay? So with the serum, I like to do 3 to 4 drops of this, one on each side of the cheek, forehead, and a little bit at the chin. So this is where I realized that I messed up. And so what we're going to do is, this is the rose water that I like to use as my toner. 100% rose water, not water with rose extract, okay? And we're just going to put that all over the face, and we're going to do a little mix 2-for-1 deal here. And we're just going to make sure we rub that in, both the rose water and the actual vitamin C serum. So we want to make sure that that vitamin C is absorbed in the skin, honey. So I'm just kind of like, I don't know if this is going to work or what, but so I heard about this technique where if you use like spirit fingers, that like helps the blood flow within your skin, and it also helps, not blood flow, I'm sorry, more like circulation, and helps the vitamin C actually absorb in your skin better. Don't know if it works or not, but it was kind of fun trying it. So that's what we did, and I just kind of just do a nice little massage over those target areas that we really want to focus on and get rid of, those dark marks. So right up in there along the jawline, forehead, and cheek area. Boom. So last step here, step number 5, we are going to moisturize. So here we have the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. And I just purchased this product as well. This is a new product that I got, so I'm not really sure if I could give you a genuine review because I'm still getting used to the product myself. But what I can say, I do like the consistency. It doesn't really have a smell or anything like that, a fragrance. It's a vegan product, so I do like that. I'm trying to do a little bit more on the natural side of things when it comes to skincare. It's very lightweight. It has a, when you first put it on your skin, you're like, oh, this is kind of heavy, but as soon as you start rubbing it in, it's very lightweight, and it's not heavy at all. A little goes a long way. I put way too much on my forehead, and I'm like, whoa. And so I just put that excess moisturizer on my neck area just so it wouldn't be too much, because if you put too much, your skin is only going to absorb what it needs, and everything left is going to be added like as a coat, and you don't want that. So the bonus step here is the lip balm. And so we're going to be using the ForHerCosmetics lip balm. And this is a small black business that I support, that's based out of Detroit, Michigan. The founder is a chemist. She's a black woman. Who's a chemist and got her chemist from Michigan State University. She creates her own products, formulates them, and they are vegan and cruelty free, honey. So make sure you support. I'm gonna leave a website to her cosmetic line in the description box below. Make sure those lips are moisturized before we go to bed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.